Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you all how I made this Nigerian egusi soup without palm oil. Yes, you heard me right. This soup was actually inspired by my friends here on YouTube, Tessie's Kitchen and Fantastic Flavor. It is very healthy and delicious. So now let's get started. These are the ingredients I will be using for my oilless egusi soup. Tomato, some bell pepper which will give the soup that reddish look, onion, stock cube, my crayfish, my melon seeds, also known as the egusi seed, and some spinach leaf. Also, the meat I'll be using is here, parboiling them already. So the next step, I'll be blending my tomato, bell pepper and onion together. Now it's time to blend the melon. I washed it with water. Adding a bit of water and blend. So the next stage is to put in your blended pepper, tomato and onion in a pot on the stove and steam it. So after steaming the sauce for about 10 minutes, I'll be adding my blended melon and stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes.
Anything you want, just tell me, girl. I go help you purchase. For this kind love, I love you, girl.
Then add a bit of water and stir together. Cover to cook for another 10 minutes. Then you can add your meat and add a bit of your meat stock if it is too thick. Now add your other ingredients like the crayfish, stock cube, I also added a bit of meat stock. Now add salt to taste. I made sure I added the meat stock before adding my salt because there was already salt in the meat stock, so the salt shouldn't be too much. Now cover to cook for another 10 minutes. So now I'm going to be adding my spinach. I added it at the last minute so the spinach doesn't get overcooked. Cover and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. So guys, and the soup is ready. Very easy to make, and guys, trust me, it was really delicious. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also do not forget to check out my friends' channels, Tessie's Kitchen and Fantastic Flavor. Thank you all. Bye.
They call me youngster.